Hey everyone! Hostinger Hosting is reliable, secure, and affordable, perfect for both developers and business owners. And if you're looking for a Hostinger promo code, then you've clicked on the right video. In this video, I'll show you how to grab the best deal using my special Hostinger partnership link, where you can get an extra 20% discount. Now, if you only use a promo code, you'll get 10% off, but with my link, you'll save 20% more automatically. I've added partnership links for all available countries in both the comment section and the description box below. Just click the link according to your country, and it'll take you straight to the official Hostinger website. Once you're on the site, go to the top navigation bar and click on Services or Products. Here, you'll find all Hostinger services like web hosting, website builder, business email plans, and more. My 20% extra discount is valid on all Hostinger hosting plans and services. Now, let's take the Hostinger Business Web Hosting Plan as an example. Click on Web Hosting, scroll down a bit, and you'll see all the available plans. You can pick any one of them, but I'll go with the Business Web Hosting Plan. With this plan, you'll get a free domain and 3 months of hosting completely free. Pro tip: always sign up using a new email address that hasn't been used on Hostinger before. That's how you unlock this special deal. As you can see, the 20% discount is applied automatically. Just click Continue and complete your purchase of the Hostinger Business Web Hosting Plan. The partnership links for all countries in local languages and currencies are available in the comments and description box below. So go ahead, grab your deal, and enjoy fast, secure, and affordable hosting with Hostinger. Happy hosting!